Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Appopedia. I'm Ratna Priya. So the video was bring up to here. So what I did, I up to on one-to-one decomposition relations and multi-level decomposition relation. Up to here we done with that. So today we will discuss many-to-one decomposition relationship. As someone who really watch this video for the first time, so I will tell you I'm going to deal with all the order management courses hands-on challenge. The theory part you guys have to done by yourself. Only the hands-on challenges I will give you, the we will do together. So these things are come under the hands-on challenges. So if you watch this first video, don't jump on the middle of any of the videos. Entirely the course, go through for one by one, otherwise you will not connect yourself with the this hands-on challenges. You will may face some problem of understanding what they are doing and why I am doing these things. So just go through one by one. This is all about the one course, and please do subscribe to my channel and really comment on that, either feedback or like any type of feedback, positive or negative. Just let me know you guys are really wanted this video or not, because you guys comment down and that only motivates me that someone is really watching my videos and really I am helping some other peoples to be go through this. So that's why I'm asking you, at least watch and don't think, just comment down positive or negative how my videos was. Okay, so let's get started. So up to here I done that. So now this is the last task of this PDF, that is creating many to one decomposition relation. Up to here we done that one to one decomposition relationship and multi-level decomposition lesson. Now we will go into the next. So task 1, review the M1, that is the task name, decomposition design, and create M1 decomposition relationship. Create the new one M1 decomposition relationship. So what is M1? M1 is many to one decomposition relation. This is the task name, that's it. So firstly we will see the architecture. As you remember the last time, for many multi-level decomposition there is also the product model data model architecture, right? So same thing is there also. This is the decomposition design for many to one. So let's discuss this one first, then you will guys have the understanding of that why we are going through like this. So many to one means only understanding many, having the many to one, right? So the object type is modern product specify. This is the object type. Every object type have some product, right? And every product have some object type. These are the basic. You have to go through the order capture and EPC, that is enterprise product catalog. If you guys have directly start the order management, it will not help you out. Just go through the CPQ courses as well. After CPQ courses, then you will better understand order management. The full course name is Industries Order Management. I always forget it to mention industries, so just make sure you will also make the understanding Industries Order Management. Before going to this course, you have to go through the CPQ. So let's not waste the time on these things. So this is the object type of the home modem, and this is a product, and product having the object type is modern product specific. Another product is in installation, that is a product, and the object type is installation product specified. These are the attribute which is every product having the object type, and some object must have some attributes that will directly come up with the project. So if you directly add it in, if you're not adding any of the attribute in the product and you're directly calling this object type, it will directly override this attribute here also. It's just like inheritance. So these are the basic things I cannot discuss here. I'm just going to move on. So this is the attribute grade and installation time for this product, and for this product it's a grade. So both the attribute will connect with one resource, that is a product installation system, and installation system will call the object type is which installation system. So this installation system have three attributes: installation type, modem standard, and product code. So these all attribute come under the product as well, installation type. So you can see many product we can add, and only linking the product with the attribute values. Based on the values of the attribute, we are linking one relationship with the another product, and that was only one product. So it's a many to one. So you just read out all the reviews part. It just have to be read and understand that thing. It's same similar thing whatever I explain you here, it's written out. I will not waste the time here. So let's move in the next task 2. We have to create the many to one decomposition relationship. So before that, we have to log in into the Salesforce playground. I was as already have logged in. So what they are saying, just search install. This product is already created. We need to just search it and go. Just close this one. Okay, they are saying installation system resource. Okay, just click on installation resource and go into the related tab. Then decomposition relationship destination product. Okay, now click on the new. This one is that. Click new. We have to create new decomposition relationship. Just copy the name of the decomposition relationship name, and yeah, then source product should be installation. It should be installation. Just add the source product as well, installation, and that destination product is already added because we are adding the decomposition relations for destination product. So that's why it's all directly come up. And then save it. Now after clicking the save button, it will directly come up, and now we have to click new to create a mapping rule. Let's create mapping rule. We have to add new rule. Let it load. Okay, now we have to add a new rule. In the rule, we have to add service installation type. This is attribute field value. Search this one. Let's it search. Okay. So it added. Now we have to add the mapping tag, add Viva item, and then we have to add same attribute value service installation type. Okay, now add another rule, and that another rule having the, scroll down and second mapping entry. Okay, mapping entry dialog set is to field. Okay, let's take field. Inside the field we have to add order ID and then account ID and then account name. So let's select order ID. Select order ID. It will take some time to see. Okay, let's add account ID. Oh my god, it's for the first time only to game. And then it's account name. Oh, yeah, it's account name. Now save it. It's the same one. Now after that, complete the rest of the rule, entering the following values. Okay, let's add these values. Okay, now we have to add technical attribute installation account name. Okay, install account names. Okay, yeah. So now we have to save these values. Okay, now again again we have to add another rule. Let's add another rule, and then inside scroll down the third mapping entries. Okay, source type should be field. Okay, let's select again field, and then order ID, account ID, and shipping stream. Okay, shipping street, account order ID. Where is the order ID? Order ID. Yeah, this is order ID. After onward, okay, order ID, account ID, and we have to select shipping street. Go in the next shipping street. Yeah, this one is shipping street. Okay, after that we have to click and save. See, account ID order ID, count ID, and shipping state. Now select. Okay, we need to fill the other ones as well, right? Okay, we have to select the same and then technical install street. Okay, technical attribute install street. Yeah, this one. Okay, street. Now scroll up and add again. Okay, let's add another one. What they're saying in the next, add new rule and then select again more field. Okay, let's select field and then order ID, account ID, and shipping zip postal code. Okay, order ID, account ID. Let's select order ID, account ID, and then shipping. It's shipping postal zip postal code. Okay, save it. Now what we have to next? Click save. Complete the same, but we have to install zip code. We have to add. Okay, the same type we have to add, and then there we have to just install this one. Okay, now click save. Okay, let's save the mapping value. Okay, now after that scroll up of the top and click the installation destination project, installation system resource. Okay, I click that and then go to the relative tab. Let's go into the relative tab and then decomposition, click new. Okay, we have to click new decomposition relation. We have to create. Okay, let's create. Where we have to create? In the destination product. Let's go into the destination product. We have to create another one, decomposition relationship. Okay, now we have to add home hub modem. Okay, in the source product, let's add home hub modem, and as we are creating destination product decomposition relationship, so destination product will directly pop up. Okay, now we have to go into the yes, it should come. Let's check. Let's recheck it. It's coming or not? Yeah, it's coming, right? It's done. And mapping, we have to add the mapping. Okay, what we have to click? Click the new decomposition relationship. Okay, let's create it. Now we have to go into the add rule. Okay, let's go into the add rule and new rule. Okay, now we have to go attribute and internet service create. Let's search attribute field values. Okay, it's already there. Now we have to type mapping types will be list. Let's take list and then attribute modem standard. Technical attribute modem standard. Now we have to go into the toggle expand add transform / mapping. 3 times we have to add this values. Okay, let's add it. Source value should be best, and then VDSL2 plus in the, according to exact the same value you have to put in the field, because otherwise you will not able to check the relevant result. So just make sure you are adding the exact same thing. If you are unable to copy and paste, you have thinking that you will might be get wrong in that, just type it the values. Do not add any extra space either from the beginning or from the end. Just make sure you are right. You're adding the similar values to get the similar result. Now clicking the save button. After that we have to go up and then again add it new value. Let's add the new rule. Okay, new rule, we have to select the source tab should be field. Let's select field. Now what we have to select? Price book entries ID and product code. Let's add price book entry ID and then product code. Let's check product code. Where is it? Is it product code? Yeah, it's product code. Save it. Now next we have to fulfill the type. Mapping type is ADE Veva item, and then technical attribute. What's the technical attribute? Product code. Now Next we have to select save the rules, mapping rules, save it. Now next, and after that you have to check the similar values added or not. Let's check mine as well. Okay, it's looking exact the similar one, so you guys also check the same. You guys have to do along with me, otherwise maybe you will not able to understand, or maybe somehow you will miss something. So next, the third step is, now we have to test the one to many decomposition. So just search for installation system resource and click on it. Let's click on it. Yes, now we have to click on edit button. Let's do edit button in the left corner, and then set. Okay, now edit order items. Where is the order item? It's scope to order item. Where? Set scope to order item. There is a scope, and then we have to add order item instead of account. Now save. Now save it. Now order. Click an order. Okay. Now go into the order page, and we have to create a new order. Let's copy the name of that order name. Okay. Now we have to click new, and then order name, and then we have to write White Nova. Here account IDs, account name should be White Nova. Okay, and then we have to add the pricing list B2C. Okay, now B2C order start date should be today, and then click save, and then okay. Now after saving, we have to configure the order, and then in the product panel we have to search installation product. Okay, whatever we just now use that product for the decomposition relationship. Let it load. So let's search for it. Okay, this is the add to cart. Now we have to take me there. Okay, we have to add two product. Okay, let's add two product, home hub modem. Okay, of course we added two product in the relationship. So now in the product home hub card, we have to change grade to attribute best. Okay, now let it add. Let's add it. Okay, after adding, let it load. Grade value is best. Now click close. Okay, now we have to decompose the order to check decomposition relationship. So order decomposition page link icon should reveal the, as you already aware of that link highlights the source order that it is decomposed and fulfill the fulfillment request. Okay, now see the link is there. So installation source order is decomposed. Which one is the installation system resources, and how home hub modem is adding installation system resource. So this one we added, and these two are from the previous exercises we done in this step task 2. So that's why it is coming this one. So this, as you can see, the link is denoted that the source orders is directly decomposed to the fulfillment request. So this one, as you understand, if you are adding any of the product for the any product relationship under that, and you're not deleting or any changes in that, then it will directly come. As you can see, this was come from the previous task. So that's it. You can see same thing is happen in the PDF screenshot. Now we can move next. So what they're saying, search installation system resource. Let's search it. Just close the decomposition page and then search for that. Let it load. Okay, open it. It's open. Now we have to edit again and edit that scope to order items. Previously we did that, it was account. We changed and we checked the order items, and then now again we change to account and click save. Now we have to create order to review the effect of the scope on the decomposition. So let's create one more order. Okay, let's copy the name of the second order. Okay, so we changed it and we saw that order, right? For checking the orders, now we check with the scope is now account. So we will check with that. So what the account name should be? Account name should be, oh, I'm so sorry, it's saying clone it. Okay, so let's not create anything. Clone means it will directly create a second version of that one. So just clone it. So we have to clone this similar one. Instead of changing the status, we have to change the status should be draft. Okay, let's change the status was active, it should be draft. Okay, because we activated means that we already decomposed, it was activated, but now we are cloning it, so we need the newly created, should not be activated. Now adding the configure order, now we have to add installation product into it and just add the installation. Okay, let's add it. Okay, add to cart. Now we have to add home hub modem, the same thing, but now just memorize yourself that we are using scope as account. Before we tested a scope as a what order item, now we are taking as an account, so that's why we have to keep this in your mind. So now check with the great with the best and then close this one. Let's close this one and then decompose the order. Let's see. Now you will see some different result or similar result. Definitely will not see this one because there is only fulfillment request for installation, because hub modem will not come up with the latest decomposition product. Let's see. Okay, so before it was coming with the installation system resource for the installation as well as home hub modem. For that one the similar product was coming. Why this is not coming? Because the account, see, only one account is there and order is created, right? According to the account there is only one product. Why we can add twice in the similar relationship? So that's why, that only the reason, because this is having the same attribute as we added here with the same relationship. This product having the one attribute, that is installation type. So same thing will happen with this one. If we add the relationship with this one, so it will come with the same attribute, the same name, right? So same, because account we have only one, so that's the only reason it's not coming with the twice with the relationship. If we choose the order items, so it multiple orders will come, like multiple product will come, either the account will be similar or not, it doesn't matter. The scope only one account is there, so that's the only reason product does not overwrite again and again. It will not completely come with the duplicacy. So that's the reason. So this you can see, this is the source order and this is composed fulfillment request. So up to here we end this task. Okay, so it's up to end this task. We have to be okay. So thanks a lot to come and watch this video. If you have any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment box. I will give all the things related with this one in the description box, with any link and anything is understood. I don't have to mention it. Just do subscribe and come up with the next thing. I will complete this task in the next videos, and this bring me end of this videos. Thank you. Bye bye.